Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, welcome. My name is Seana. I am a New York City based fashion model, visual artist, and lover of makeup. Today I am going to play with the new Kaleidos The Flower Punk palette. I received it in the mail a few days ago and I'm super excited to play with it. As you can see, the packaging is absolutely stunning and the outer package that it came in was also really beautiful, as well as the box. I always love the artwork on Kaleidos' packaging. They put so much effort into it. So yeah, let me open up the palette. You can completely pull this off. It has a mirror, and then inside this is the color story. I love that it kind of has two different things going on. You have like the pastels here and then these like grungy yellow and green shades, and I want to put together as many of them as possible in this look. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I always love their formula. It works really well for me. And I think that there's a nice mix of mattes and shimmers. And then for the look, I was sent my next shipment of Haruco-vert pieces. So I will be doing a look with that. It's a solid black dress with satin strips sewn diagonally onto it. And I have a belt to go with it as well, so I'm going to be showing a few different ways to wear it with and without the belt, wearing the belt on the waist, and then a couple other fun ways. So yeah, let's get ahead and let's get right into doing this and see, oh my goodness, why are the words not coming out? Let's just get into the look. I'm first going in with the shade Peach Soju, which is a matte peachy pink color. It definitely is very neutral, and on camera it translates more as like a pinky brown, and this is just kind of a base to build off of. And now I'm taking the shade Nouveau, which is a deeper pinky brown, and I'm placing this on the outer half of the crease and pulling it out a little bit. Just to add some more depth in the very outer corner, I'm taking the shade Earthship, which is a deep olive green shade. And now to start the work on the lids, I'm taking the shade Chlorophyll, which is a matte shade that's kind of in between a mustard green and a chartreuse. And now on top of that, I'm taking the shade Sungazer, which is a metallic golden yellow shade. And now to begin the work under the eye, I'm taking the shade Golden Age, which is kind of like a golden mustardy. It's in between a yellow and a brown, but it definitely reads more yellow. And next I'm going in with the shade Mint Fever, which is a matte mint green. And now closer to the inner corner of the eye, I'm taking the shade Aloco, which is a mint green, and I blended it a little. And now for the inner eye highlight color, I'm taking the shade Stained Glass, which is a shimmery pink, and it doesn't have too much of a base, so you definitely have to layer it if you're not putting it on top of something, but it's a really pretty color, especially when the light catches it. And now I'm just curling my lashes and then going in with the Pacific Beauty Vegan Collagen Mascara. Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer in the shade Shady Biz and taking this all over. And now I'm going in with the Kaleidos Star Surfer highlighter in the shade Space Age, which is a frosty base with a bit of a pink reflex. And now to finish off the look, I am taking the Kaleidos Lucid Lip Gloss in the shade Hypnotize, which is a fairly sheer red-violet shade that has a sparkle to it. And this is the completed look. It's actually softer than I thought it was going to come out, but I'm not mad at that. I think that all the colors blended really nicely together, and I think the two different color stories that are going on here actually work well together, even though they seem quite different from each other. I didn't have any issues with any of them. It's the usual Kaleidos formula. It's a buildable but pigmented formula. Very soft, easy to use. As you can see, the shimmers are really pretty too, and the shimmers are like most of their shimmers where they're more topper shades, especially the pink and the green. The goldish green one down here is a little more pigmented, has more of a base than the other two. But yeah, I had a good time using this, and I'm excited about doing the look for Haruco-vert that will go up soon. I mean, by the time this is posted, it will already be up. But yes, please, on Instagram, I should say. Stay tuned a few more seconds if you have not yet seen it on Instagram to see that look. And if you like this kind of content, then please make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below about what your favorite part was, what you're looking forward to this summer, or anything that you would like to share with me. And yes, until next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye!